Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Okay, taking a look at our Discord group here, we've got the Premium Traders Zone. These are our green members over here. Just to let you know, I'm going to be posting most likely one trade a day in here, and we'll be following up with a video tutorial on that. If you're interested in the VIP Traders Zone, there's a lot more going on in here. If we have a look at yesterday's trades, I don't know, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6, was it? 6 or 7? Okay, so there's a lot more going on, and then we take the breakout strategy to the next level. And we've got videos in here that are unlisted on YouTube. So these are members only videos. So what we're going to do is going to run through last night's trades. I've got them coloured blue here, so we may as well start with, I think the CAD Yen was the one I posted into the premium zone. CAD Yen sell. Okay. With all of my trades, you'll notice that I'm going to go for a decent risk reward. And as per the videos that I'm putting out, I'm always looking to take 2/3 of my position at least very early on in the piece, and it's generally 50% of whatever the stop loss is. Alright, so we'll just start with that one and then we'll go and have a look at the others. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades all up yesterday. Let's quickly run through them, and this is why we look to take most of our position and bring our stop loss to better than break even. So looking at the CAD Yen, I want to show you guys something. If I don't post a specific TP level, this is how you can work it out. So I may have just posted this long or short position markup here. To work out your TP levels, here's the thing. Let's just draw a line at our entry through here. Grab the trend-based fib extension. This is it over here, trend-based fib extension. And what we're going to do is we're going to place it on our entry, click, and then we're shorting it. So go down, pull it down because we're shorting, click, and then pull it back up to your entry. Click. This is your tool. So 0 is entry, -1 is your stop loss. This is your TP1. We're going to go 50% of your stop loss. So let's just grab it. This is the entry level 0. So what we do is we place that on our entry, and then we grab the little dot and we wiggle it up and down till we align our stop loss there, and there's target 1. Target 1, and look at that right there. And what happens after this, once you've reached target 1, is we pull our stop loss down to either break even or better than break even, so that this is a winning trade, or there's 0 loss involved. It's a no risk trade. So anytime we reach target 1, we're going to call it a winning trade, and the rest is just awesome. You know what I mean? Like if we get taken out, doesn't matter, there's no loss. And we're going to go for a minimum of 1 to 5. Minimum, that's going to be our minimum, but preferably, look at the, this is my risk reward. There's 10 to 1 down there. Okay, so let me just show you the fib. You can copy that if you like. I'll open up the setting of the fib. Trend-based fib extension. There it is. It's very simple. And I got 0.5 in there as well. Just pause the video, take a screenshot. I've colored the trend line yellow. When you've done that, go down to templates here and save as, and I've called it Tony's risk reward targets, and go OK. And there's your tool. All right, so let's just say we want to buy here. We just grab our trend-based fib extension. We click on our entry. We're buying, so we just pull it up in the direction of the trade. Click. Come back down to our entry. And where's our stop loss going to go? Well, if we are buying, which we're not, okay, but let's say your stop loss is going to go under these guys here. We want our stop loss there. So what you do is you simply grab this and you pull it. There you go, lining it up with your stop loss. Beautiful. Up and down, there's your stop loss, and it automatically sets up your profit target. And then there's your 1-to-1, there's your 2-to-1 risk reward, and all the way to 10-to-1 risk reward. It's a handy little thing to have. You'll generally see that, and I will give you a stop loss. Yeah, to work out your risk reward, it's pretty well 50% of that distance there is going to be your. But yeah, you want to know where these targets are. So that's one way of organizing your TP1 at 50% of your stop loss. So anyway, what I wanted to show you was very quickly, these are the trades last night. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, I mean, every one of these was a winner. TP1 was reached. A couple of them we closed at TP1, but then some of the others, look at this, for example. This is a really nice outcome. And then the euro dollar, I think that was kind of a good trade. Yeah, that was a nice outcome. Look, by the way, click the link below. Join Discord, it's free. You gain access to, if you're premium, if you've been invited as a premium, you gain access to the Premium Traders Zone. And if you want to go VIP, I'm going to get pretty serious in here, guys. So if you really want to trade Forex, we've got the breakout tutorial. Down here we've got breakout level 1. All right, so that's a simplified version. And then if you want to take your trading to the next level, these tutorials are unlisted in YouTube. So these are our level 2 breakout strategies. Taking the breakout strategy that one step further, and then we've got our trade ideas. Join VIP, here it is. This will be going up very shortly. I don't want to give this away for that anymore. Given the years, the cost that I've put into getting to where I'm at and sharing what I've got here, this is gold. So this will probably be that for a couple of days. I think this weekend, this is going to go up. I don't need to do this. You know, I really want to just focus on my trading. So, you know, if you're serious and you want to get involved, this is the aim down here. If you're interested and you want to be a funded trader, click on that link. Have a look at Audacity Capital. They're the company that I'm involved with. With that, guys, click the link below. Join Discord. It's free. You can jump in and you've got access to all this stuff. And as always, have a great day. See you in the next video.